This is our go-to camping table. It's by Lifetime. We love it. We've had it for, at least 5 years. It's super light, super foldable, and we just slap these bench sheets next to it and just pop it up in our pop-up and use it to play games, eat dinner time, all that kind of stuff. It's our go-to outdoor camping table. But let me show you how it folds up and stores away. It's how easy it is to just fold up and store away. Super lightweight. You just fold this down right there. This little red thing, it's a locking mechanisms, just like any other table. Just down. Folds up just like that. Has a nice little handle that is, like I said, super lightweight. Our go-to camping table every time we go camping.